Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the immediate bottlenecks. Quit heavy apps and pause Cloud Sync so CPU and disk I/O focus on Final Cut Pro X. Next, free up at least 20% of your drive. Once done, move active media to an external SSD to reduce read latency. Then open Final Cut Pro X preferences and disable background rendering and automatic proxy switching. This prevents unneeded tasks from running while you edit and makes playback much more responsive. Now you reduce the editor's workload by changing how media is handled. Generate proxies at 1/4 or ProRes proxy so the system decodes lightweight files during playback. Then lower the timeline playback quality to 1/2 while cutting. This keeps frames rolling smoothly. Make sure to consolidate your library and remove unused clips to shrink the active database. When effects are heavy, render just the segments you need. Selective rendering saves time and prevents full timelines. Finish by ensuring the system supports your workflow. Update Mac OS, GPU drivers, and Final Cut Pro X to the latest stable releases. Compatibility patches often improve performance. If possible, add RAM or move your media to NVMe or Thunderbolt SSDs. Hardware upgrades deliver the biggest gains. If you still see stuttering, reset Final Cut Pro X preferences and create a new library to rule out library corruption. If that fixes it, import projects gradually until you isolate the problematic asset or effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.